Banana Pear, and today I'm going to be playing Puppet with my fans, Puppet Chapter 5. This is gonna be fun, hopefully, at least, I don't know. And Puppet is basically just a ripoff of Piggy, so, yeah, let's do this. Library. Okay, we're gonna do this. So I already completed all of these. I haven't completed my library yet. So let's do this. Now can I ask something? Yeah, you can ask something. Player, pick a player. Okay, actually I kinda want a pod. But don't kill please. Let's do this. Hopefully they don't care. Yes! Finally, I can complete this after 1 billion hours. Not really that long, to be honest. Teddy, got a bad feeling about this place. We're doing this. Okay, anyways, okay, we need the green key. We need the green key. We already know that. We need the orange key. Orange and green. That's all we know so far. Wait, did I see something? Or is that my imagination? Yep. Oh, orange key. I heard someone die. Okay, I don't know if they're gonna kill or not, but there is a high chance that they win. So, yikes. Is there anything here? No. Okay. There's a gun. I don't really need that right now. Okay. This map is huge. Like, so much walking has to be done here. Which is, what I like. That's probably something I don't like about Puppet. They make their maps, really, big. Which is, no. I just don't like that about it. Is there anything in here? Oh no, somebody already did this place. I think they took a book or something. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs. I think all the stuff were downstairs. Nothing over here. Okay. I got it. Okay, nothing over here. No blue book, red book, and green book. But we need keys for that. Ooh, we need this, but it's for later. So we just gotta kill. Okay. Okie dokie. Have the code. I don't know what I'm really gonna do with that. I mean, I know, but. Ooh. Okay. Okay, we need the hammer. We need the hammer first. First of all, we need the hammer. Nope, it has been used. Never mind, we don't need the hammer. Okay. I don't really know that much about this map. I don't know where stuff can be. Basically all random at this point. Basically all random. Okay, here's the code. I'm gonna hold on to that. Okay. Okay, I think everything is upstairs. Yeah. Yeah, everything is upstairs. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. Everything is upstairs. Well, mostly. We need the dark blue key. I don't know where that is. We need it for the yellow key, I think. Couldn't find anything downstairs. Everybody's having a dance battle. um. Oh no. Let me ask. Where are where are all the keys? Where are all the keys? Like, bruh. Where are they? We need them to escape. Don't tell me people have them and they're not using them. The orange key has already been used. Yeah. Yeah, the orange key. I already used the orange key. I have a code. But wow. Okay. Here's the branch, but we like we don't have anything. Like what? What? What the heck? Everybody has like lots of stuff. Everybody has a lot of everything. Like wow, why? Use them, please. Yeah, everybody has everything. I can't find anything. Can't find anything. Okay, we're redoing this probably because I can't find anything. Let me just type in chat. Guys. There's all the keys. There's so many keys that hasn't been used. Oh wow, that key was written poorly. Okay. I checked everywhere. Oh no, we already used it. I've been opening a lot of doors. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, just one there. I'm waiting so I can use the code. Okay, I'm not gonna keep the code. I'm gonna take the wrench. Ah, someone took it. Someone has it. I don't know what to do here. There's lots of things to do, but still it'll be fine. And it's not really, but instead, everybody ain't doing anything. Like, except for Sunny, I guess, but still, they have been opening doors and stuff, so. Okay. Yes, they have the gold key. They have it for the code. Code. We're doing this. We can escape. I believe in us. I believe. It's over here. I know where it is. Follow me. Okay, there. They're here. Okay. Is this it? Tell me this is it. This has to be it. We gotta do this. This has to be the freedom. Or freedom. No! No! We only. Yes! 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 We did it! Escape! The news article says, okay, these must be the puppets that are after you. Only one person was able to escape attacks. We did this. Teddy Alfred, he is currently in critical condition at the hospital. We need to talk to him. He might know who is behind all of this. And that's Puppet Chapter 5 with my fans, which is pretty cool. This was very fun. No. Yeah. I couldn't beat Puppet. I have such a good outfit. The zombie mo, and a rolling pin. So I kind of wanted to be Puppet there, but it's fine. So that was Puppet. Yay. It's pretty cool. I'm kind of excited for Chapter 6. I want to know what happens next. It's probably going to be a hospital, though, which is kind of, got Piggy, but still, oh well. But it's kind of different, so that's good. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for now, guys. I think that's gonna be it for now, guys. And yeah, escape chapter 5. Here I got the badge. And yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.